Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I'm excited to share this new product that we just got in stock, and it's the Extra Thin Lock Shims. Now, right here is our standard lock shims, and they're great and they work really well, but there are situations where using a thinner shim is much easier on shimming certain locks. Now, these shims are 40% thinner than the standard shim on the market today. All right. Now, in a situation where the lock has really tight tolerances because it was machined really well, using a thinner shim is going to be easier to shim the lock. At the same time, if you're a person that's always struggled with shimming and it just looks easier in the videos than it does when you're doing it in real life, using this thinner shim might help you tremendously. It is important to note, though, that since it is thinner, you can damage or crease these much easier. So you want to make sure that when you're using these shims that you're giving a little extra care so they'll last a while. Now, I'm not going to go through exactly on how to shim a lock in this video. I will put a link in the notes below on a video that I have that goes over that. But while we're at it, let me go ahead and shim this lock here for you. So we're going to go ahead and stick it right here, the shim in the back on the shear line, just like that. We're going to go ahead and start shimming it just like this. Now, this is live here. I haven't really tampered with this core at all. And so let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to start moving through just like that. As you can see, the shim is moving around a little bit more than when I do the standard shims because it's just thinner. And so you have to be a little extra careful. All right, looks like I'm down to about one pin here. Let's see. Which I've talked about before is always the toughest for me, is that last pin. Oh, there we go. So there we go. Went ahead and turn that with this thin shim. So if you've had problems with shimming locks or you prefer a thinner shim, we now have them. The part number is CLK-25S-thin. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.